Hello traders, this is Varun Tyagi here and I'm presenting my indicator in front of you. So this is my indicator and I've explained this so many times before. I've also uploaded videos on YouTube. I've also have taken so many sessions on this. लाइव ट्रेड भी मैंने करके दिखाया हुआ है इसके ऊपर और इस पर काफी लोग ट्रेड भी कर रहे हैं. सो आफ्टर आई रिसीव्ड फ्यू फीडबैक ऑन माय इंडिकेटर. अगर मैं इसके अंदर कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट और करना चाहता हूँ तो सबसे ज्यादा मुझे इम्प्रूवमेंट जो लोगों ने बोला है वो इस मूविंग एवरेजेस के बारे में बोला है. सो पीपल वांट कुछ और इसके अंदर सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन हम इसको कर पाए मूविंग एवरेजेस के टर्म्स में. मैंने एक इसके अंदर कुछ मॉडिफिकेशंस मैंने किए हैं. सो आई वांट टू शो यू ऑल द मॉडिफिकेशंस हियर. सो दिस इज माय न्यू अपडेटेड मॉडिफाइड इंडिकेटर. सो इसका नाम है आई एम वरुण त्यागी, मेरे नाम पर ही है. So if I activate this indicator, so this is my new and modified indicator in front of you now. So अब इसको अगर if I just give you a comparison with the previous one, so this is the new indicator. अब मैं एक बार इसमें previous indicator को activate कर लेता हूँ यहाँ पर, and I'll keep the same time frame in both the charts. Let's say 1 hour. So I'll keep 1 hour in both the charts. तो ये मेरा this is my old indicator, this is my new indicator. तो आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर ऑलमोस्ट सभी चीजें सेम हैं. लाइक क्लाउड इज सेम, टारगेट इज सेम एंड ट्रेंड इज सेम, बट जो मूविंग एवरेजेस हैं उसको थोड़ा सा मैंने मॉडिफाइड करके यहाँ पर इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाइड करने की कोशिश की है. So now I'm going to explain you this indicator, this updated version of my indicator. So if I want to explain all the elements of my indicator, so let me just explain this. So if you know it very well. These are my targets. So these are my targets. This is entry, stop loss, target 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So we have upside targets. So as all of you know, target 4 is my first target. So I'm just marking this as a target. So these are my targets. Okay. Then we have this as a sell trend. So we call it sell trend because it's selling. So it's red upside. So we have a sell trend. Similarly here we have a buy trend. So this is, we call it buy trend. Okay, this is buy trend. You know it, this is Ichimoku cloud, or you can call it a cloud trend. You can call it a cloud trend. So when we have a red cloud, it's negative trend. When we have green cloud, it's positive trend. It's bullish trend. Now we have two more things here. So if you look at this, these colorful lines, black, blue, green, red. Okay. So these colorful lines are, so I'll write here. So these lines are slow moving averages. We call it slow moving averages. These are slow moving averages. And these black lines are fast moving averages. So we call it fast moving averages. These are fast moving averages. So I have these 5 elements in my indicator. That's it. So when we have upside targets, we have a targets, we have downside targets as well. When the trend is upside, we have upside targets. When the trend is downside, we have downside targets. The cloud, this when the cloud is green, it means we have a bullish momentum. And when the cloud is red, it means we have a bearish momentum. Like here, we have a red cloud, it means we have a bearish momentum. And when we have green cloud, it means we are having a bullish momentum. Similarly, when we have a red line here with sell signal, it means we have a selling trend. So trend is negative. Similarly, when we have a green buy signal and green line here, that means we have a buying trend. And when we have moving averages, slow moving averages in aligned. So alignment, bullish alignment is black should be above, then blue, then green, and then red. Black, blue, green, red. So when we have black lines above, followed by blue lines, green line, and red line, it means this is a bullish momentum going on. And vice versa, when we have black line downside, and then blue, green, and red, that means we have a downside momentum or negative momentum or bearish momentum. Similarly, these are fast moving averages. So these moving averages you can consider as a crossover. So when slow moving averages crossed above, fast moving averages, these black lines, when fast moving averages crossed above slow moving averages, we have a positive crossover. And in the same way, like here, the fast moving averages crossed above slow moving averages, we have a bullish momentum here, like here. And when fast moving averages cross down slow moving averages, we have a bearish momentum. The trend is negative, like here and like here. In the same way, like we see slow moving averages, alignment, black, blue, green, red, you can also see the alignment here in slow moving averages as well. So you can see this negative line is crossing above and this trend is growing up and up. Maybe let me just check if I can change the color as well. Can I change the color? Let me see. No, I cannot. I cannot change the color of these moving averages. Let me see if I can change here. Yes, I can change it. So if you want, you can also change the color of these lines here. If you want, you can choose any of the color. So I'll choose black, blue, green, red. So black, blue, green, red, and I'll make it red and I'll also make it red. So like this. So now it's clear. So black line crossing above these lines. So this momentum also giving you a buy or sell signal, like here. Okay. Now, how to take trade? How to take trade with the help of this indicator? It's very simple. We should go to multiple time frame analysis. So I'll just remove all these things now. I just remove everything. we need to go to multiple time frame analysis. So I'll split this screen in 3 parts. So this one, is, let's say I'm doing a swing trading. So in swing trading, I need to select weekly time frame here, daily time frame here, and let's say 4 hour or 3 hours or 2 hours here. So I'll select 4 hours here. And what we do when we have a big time frame in buy and the second time frame, like in day time frame, comes in buy, we go for a buy. And we only just check the smallest time frame, like 4 hour, is also nearby or at a higher levels. If this is at the high level, we can wait the stock to fall down and then we can take a buy near the entry. So for example, I'll open few stocks just for a reference like this. For example, here we had this buy on 17th of July, 10th of July in weekly time frame, and daily time frame was also a buy, and everything was aligned here. So we can take a buy here. We only need to check the smallest time frame. When we have, for example, recently we have a buy in 4 hour time frame here. So it was a buy because our bigger time frame was in buy. Next stock, like this. Weekly time frame is buy here. So daily time frame, whenever we have daily time frame, a buy signal, we can go for a buy. So it's a buy, easy buy. And you can see when this is going for a buy, we are also having a buy in 4 hour time frame, or we can also make it smaller time frame. So 1 hour maybe we can take a trade, and it's always in, like in day time frame or weekly time frame, we always have target like 25%, 50%, 100%, and so on. So we always have a big targets in bigger time frames. So I can open any of the stock and we see the multiple time frame analysis. We don't want to, if you don't want to see this, we can split the screen in 2 parts. We can only look at weekly and daily time frame. We don't need to look at smaller time frame. So when we have a buy, like here, when we have a buy, you can see it's a clear buy. It will take you for the whole ride. My indicator will not let you allow to exit in between. It will, you can ride the whole trend. So because you can see that weekly we have a buy and the momentum is strong in daily time frame. So we have a continuous buy. Like for example, here in this stock, we are having a buy, and you can see we have upside targets. We have a buy signal here, and the moving averages are aligned. All moving averages are aligned, black, blue, green, red. So weekly, we have a bullish momentum. The cloud is also green. And here it's turning green. So today only, I think it has turned green, and we have a buy signal here. And as soon as we have all signals, positive signals here in day time frame, we can go for a buy. Next stock, like this. So we have a buy here, and everything you can see in weekly time frame, everything is in buy, everything is aligned. So daily time frame we can also take a buy, because even in daily time frame, everything is aligned. We have a buy signal, cloud is green, moving average are aligned, black, blue, green, red, and the fast moving averages are above the slow moving averages, and we have a buy signal. We are just sitting at the entry point, and you can see this stock in coming days going up and giving you a good return. So my target will be target 4 of weekly time frame. So this is weekly time frame. On my left hand side here on this screen, we have weekly time frame. Let's see next stock. Okay, so this is my next stock. This is the penny stock. You can see we have a buy here. Everything is aligned, getting aligned. Everything is getting aligned, and daily is already in buy. So it's a buy like this. So daily we are having a buy signal here, and we can mark a trend line like this. So we have a trend line breakout with the entry signal. And here also you can see we have a buy signal. Everything is buy. Only the trend is red, but we have the confirmation in a smaller time frame. So we can take a buy in daily time frame, and stop loss is very minimum. We can take a buy. Like next stock, VIP clothing. You can see we have a selling signal here in VIP clothing. So trend is negative, and even day time frame is negative. So we cannot buy. We cannot take a buy in VIP clothing. It's a negative trend. So my stock always give you alert signal that this stock is not good for buy, and we can avoid it just by only seeing these targets downside. So we have a resistance here, and daily time frame is negative. Until unless we have upside targets, we cannot go for a buy. We cannot buy this stock. Even though this weekly time frame is in buy, so we are looking for a breakout. We are looking for a trend line breakout. When we have a trend line breakout, this daily time frame will give you a buy signal with the upside target, and then we can go for a buy. Like in this stock, you can see, so this is a buy, and we have a buy signal. Everything is in aligned, so it's a buy. This is Yatra. So Yatra was a buy signal here. In Yatra, there was a buy signal here, and then till then we are in buy. Everything is aligned. You can see as soon as we see a buy signal, we only need to check if everything is aligned. If yes, everything is aligned, we can go for a buy. So we had this buy signal, and next candle you can see the moving averages, how beautifully moving average is giving a crossover. See this, everything is getting aligned here. See this, everything aligned, and we have a buy signal. So at least we can take a buy here at 419. And if we buy here on the confirmation of every element, still we have a chance to hit 20%. See this, easy money. Easy money. So here you can see in this stock, everything is aligned. Cloud is green. We have a targets, and it's going to hit 2000 soon. Here also we have all upside targets. It's bullish as of now. So this way we can find any stock. We can trade any stock like this. For example, we have a buy signal here in weekly time frame. Cloud is green. We have upside targets. Stock is near the entry signal. Moving averages are aligned. Black, blue, green, red, and then fast moving average above slow moving average. So we also have green trend line, green trend signal. So weekly is completely a buy. Weekly is a buy, and we are also breaking this resistance. We are also breaking this resistance soon. So this is like coming up breakout. This is a breakout coming. Why breakout coming? Because we are having a buy signal here. So that means we are surely going to have a breakout in this stock. And in daily time frame, we are going to have these targets. And here, if we look at cloud is green, trend is green, moving average are aligned. We have upside target, so it's a clear buy. It's a clear buy. Even we look at 4 hours time frame, 4 hour के अंदर we have everything aligned, and we are going to hit target 4 on Monday. So this is it. I think I've given you enough example how to take trade, how to take swing trade with the help of this indicator. Now I'll also give you an example how to take FNO trades. So for FNO, I'll just open this watch list, for example, this, and okay. So for example, this I'll change the time frame now. If we are having, we want to have FNO trade, so we need to change the time frame. So I'll make it this one 4 hour. I'll make this one 4 hour. This one like 30 minutes. So I'll make it 30 minutes. And this one 5 minutes. So what we do, as soon as we have a buy signal in 4 hour, we look at 30 minutes, and 30 minutes was all aligned. Moving average was aligned. We have a buy signal. We have cloud green. We have upside targets. So it was a buy on the confirmation of intraday 5 minutes time frame. So in 5 minutes, as soon as we have a buy signal, it's a buy. We can go for a buy. So it was a buy. For example, Alchem. For example, Alchem may we had buy in 4 hour time frame, and we look at 30 minutes time frame, everything is aligned, and we are going to we hit target for today, almost hit, and 5 minutes was aligned. So you can see how beautifully it was trading. All the moving average was aligned, cloud was green all the time. The fast moving average were above the slow moving averages, and we were keep getting our upside targets all the time, and we were keep hitting upside targets all the time in 5 minutes time frame. So this is how we take trade in FNOs in smaller time frame, and the time frame which we choose for FNO is 4 hours, 30 minutes, and 5 minutes. So this is for FNO, and if we are looking for a swing trade, we should look for weekly time frame, monthly time frame, and daily time frame as a combination of indicators. Like for example, here for Alchem, we look for monthly, weekly, and daily. So when we have monthly buy, we look for weekly buy, and we also have a weekly buy. Then we can take a trade in daily buy. Whenever we see a buy signal in daily time frame, we go for a buy. We just ride the trend. See this, how beautifully it has given a beautiful trend, beautiful ride we got in this script. So this is how we take trade in swing, in equity. So you can look at any stock, any commodity, any crypto. It works in crypto, it works in currencies, it works in commodities, it works in stocks, Indian stocks, US stocks, any country's stocks of the world, any stock you can look at. So randomly, I'll just type anything. At any stock I'll open. So let's say this is, let's open this one. Okay, let's open this one. So this is, I don't know, this is Canada, I think, Canadian stock. So I'll just open this and see. So here we have a sell signal, and weekly we have a sell signal, daily we have a sell signal, so it's going down. Any stock we can check. I'm just writing anything. So I'll open, let's say, this one. So it's okay, it's not good stock. Anything, I'll open just anything. Okay, Udaipur Cement. Let's see this stock, Indian stock. See, Udaipur Cement may, if we look at weekly time frame, we have a buy here, and daily may buy aa rahi hai. So we can go for a buy. So here we have a buy signal, and here we already had this target done, I think. Let's see. See this. Previously we had buy at this point, and we already hit target 7 in daily time frame. So like this, you can open any stock, any stock I'll open, and I can show you how beautifully it's working in every script. See this. So this is monthly, this is weekly. Weekly may we have buy signal, and daily may it's we are getting a buy signal here. So on breaking of this trend line, we can take a trade. So this is a trend line breakout we are going to see soon in this script, and then we will hit upside targets. Whatsoever stock this is, K-Force. Okay, so that this is it. This is how we trade with the help of my indicator. This is my updated indicator with updated moving averages, slow moving average, and fast moving averages. We have our previously mentioned targets. We have cloud, we have trend. So this indicator is made with 5 elements, and these 5 elements are very important while trading. And with the help of my indicator, we can have like 90% accuracy in trading. So I guarantee 90% accuracy in any script. Thank you so much.